Listen, I love watching content on my Vision Pro. I've already made a video talking about watching movies on the Vision Pro, so the fact I'm making another one just shows how much I love it. It's been 4 months since I last talked about watching stuff on this headset, which is a whole lot of time for developers to get their thinking caps on and make experiences that are as cool and high quality as possible, something like big screen on the Meta Quest. And from what I've seen on both the Vision Pro subreddit and the App Store, I think we've got just that. Moonplayer is the app that actually made me want to create this video, mainly because of their most recent test flight update. Moonplayer is a way to watch any of your content in either the pass-through environment or the 2Cinema environments that vastly improve the experience. There's a good amount of settings to improve watching videos like ambient light, seat position, and seat height. The ambient light feature was pretty faint though, and I preferred to just have it off so that it didn't eat at my battery. It's also annoying how high up the subtitles are on the footage, and unlike some other apps, I couldn't position it anywhere I wanted. Aside from the cinema, you can also watch your content on this huge TV in your pass-through environment, which was pretty cool, but I wish that there was a way to change the size since it took up most of my desk. Overall, I talked about this app in my video about movies on the Vision Pro, and since then, it's made a lot of big strides in becoming a high-quality video player on the Vision Pro. I've used this one quite a bit, and aside from its issues and bugs, I still recommend it for the current $5 price tag. Then, there's Screenlit, which is currently my favorite video player. First of all, there's proper Plex support, and as a Plex fanatic, like myself, I deeply appreciate that. It works the same as Moonplayer in terms of being a video player with a movie theater, but with a ton of bells and whistles that enhance the content. The biggest feature that the app touts is being able to convert any video into 3D by using AI. Really quick, I do just want to say that I'm a huge fan of AI, and I'll even confirm the allegations that I'm a huge nerd. With that out of the way, I think this feature is awesome, and exactly the thing I was hoping for on the Vision Pro. Since I obviously can't show it to you, I'll have to explain it, which if you've seen any of my videos, then you know I'm not too good at that. If you've ever used a 3DS, then it's basically like that, except higher quality, and it's genuinely cool. It's not perfect, especially with fast-paced or animated content, since it looks wobbly, but I'm sure it'll get better in future updates. It uses a lot of battery since all of this is done on device, so I always just have my headset connected to a charger. There's also other features like changing the quality on the fly, skipping the intro for a TV show, and going to the next episode. The version of this app with AI depth in it is a one-time purchase of $20, but the basic version is just $10. Pretty hefty price, but I can vouch for this app since it's fully fleshed out and getting frequent updates, just like Moonplayer. And as a bonus, the ambient lighting here is actually visible, so there's even more of a reason to use this one. I'll personally be using this app for my Plex content. Unfortunately, we haven't gotten big screen on the Vision Pro yet, but these two apps are the closest things we've got to it, in my opinion of course. We've come a long way from the Apple TV app experience of a boring black void and a huge screen in front of you, as you can clearly see. I think it's important to catalog the progress in this sector because watching content is genuinely one of my favorite things to do on this headset. So, keep on making great cinemas on the Vision Pro devs because I'll just keep eating them up. Make sure to like and subscribe for more incredible bowling footage just like this one. Thanks for watching. Infinite more thanks for 1,000 subscribers. I mean, it genuinely means the world to me, and I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed, and take care.